Yeah.
All right, your nickname's going to be Red Brick.
Okay.
Actually, I think it was Brick Red.
Red.
Brick
Yeah,
Red. We're going to go
Brick
Brick
Red.
Red. Brick
Brick
Red.
Red.
And you're live. You're okay if we video your
Go.
procedure for YouTube?
Yes.
All right, and I haven't put my gloves on yet, but this would be the right armpit area or axilla, and that right there is an irritated, inflamed skin tag. We'd actually say it's pedunculated. How do you like that word?
Sounds good.
I just
Big
made
word.
it up. It's a good word.
But it's a big word.
Well, it is a big word. Big word for a big guy.
Uh-oh.
A Brick Red guy. Oh, you heard
Are
me?
you sending it to pass or no?
No, that's just a regular skin tag that's irritated. I'm not worried I'm not worried that's a cancerous skin tag or anything like that.
No.
So we're not going to charge you any extra fees.
All right.
And well, you can just pay though if you want.
No.
You feel up to it.
Yeah, my hips are hurting.
What happened to your hip, Gummy Jean?
It's been hurting ever since after the surgery.
Oh, it's just because you're not moving right yet. Are you doing some therapy yet?
I feel like I'm moving right.
Aren't you doing therapy?
No, I'm not. I don't have to.
You know. Okay, so they're just going to declare you well.
I guess.
Well,
You need to
go-
move more.
Still healing.
Go do.
I need to get on the elliptical.
No, I'm trying to think. You could do some yoga. You could do some Pilates.
Pilates.
Or
Something
hot
to get you
Pilates.
stretching.
Something like that. Yeah, to get you moving.
Okay.
Elliptical's the best.
What's good?
Elliptical's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Moves
when you're
every
on-
joint in
You
your
said I
body.
could get on it.
Yeah, but with an elliptical though, you have to be real careful when you've just had back surgery.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Because I'm clumsy and all that type of stuff.
I wasn't. Did you want the anesthesia special today?
Yeah.
He wants the anesthesia,
Oh.
Gumby Jean.
Yeah, that stung.
I need. Oh, what I just did stung a little bit.
Yeah.
The little alcohol swab.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we haven't done any
wow.
cutting or anything.
I
It
know.
must really be irritated.
It is. Yeah.
Did you try to pull it off?
No, I think I probably tried to.
Can you see okay?
Not intentionally.
All right, she's gonna spray a little cold spray right there at the base. Ooh, that's gonna be. There you go. And now you're gonna feel a little. What's
Stick,
he gonna
sting,
feel?
and a burn.
That's right. Stick, sting, and a burn.
It's okay.
We'll numb that dude up a little bit.
Now my teeth don't hurt.
Now your teeth are feeling a lot
That's
better.
right.
Your teeth was hurting?
No.
He's
Oh.
putting you on.
You guys, listen. I'm so slow when it comes to stuff like that. I don't know when you're joking and when you're not.
Yeah, when they numb your teeth up, they don't hurt anymore.
gotcha.
You know?
Like dental work.
That's right. Now, believe it or not, we're going to do this with a pair of scissors. Do you believe that?
I believe it. I saw them, that's why.
There it goes.
There it
It
is.
just
Really?
fell off.
That's too easy.
It is pretty easy, I have to admit. Gumby Jean's going to give me a needle driver, and she's giving me some 5-O-ethanol. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
And we're just going to put a stitch through that so it doesn't
That
bleed.
was quick.
And since Brick House, I happen to know, is married to a retired nurse.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I believe
Yeah.
it'll be just fine in a week or so if she removes this stitch.
Well, I might just remove it.
Or you could remove it, depending on, you know,
I think I'll have the nurse remove it.
I think. Well, thank you so much for allowing us to video your pedunculated skin tag removal
Very
for
good.
YouTube. I wonder if I have to put a
Yeah.
second stitch
Want
in
another
there.
stitch?
I may go ahead and put a second stitch in. That was a pretty big size snip. All right.
I never felt it.
Never felt, well,
Never
that's
felt
the
the
problem.
snip.
He didn't feel it.
Yeah.
And tell your darling wife that we put 2 stitches in.
They charged me twice the money, huh?
That's, well, we do charge by the stitch.
Yeah.
Fine. You did great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brick House, you rock. Or Brick
Worked
Red.
well.
Brick House.
Brick House.
Whatever your
Brick,
name is.
Red.
Brick Red.
Brick Red. All right, buddy. Thanks.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
It has helped me so very much with working. It gives me a lot more energy throughout the day, and instead of being in the middle of the day, I can get through my whole day, and it's been working really well.
Takes away that afternoon brain fog,
Yes,
doesn't
it
Yeah.
does.
Great.
It's been great.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you could pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.